welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In last video I spoke about counting in Chinese from 11 to 20. In today's video I'm gonna be counting from 21 to 30. Remember, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so you can see all of these videos. It's gonna be 10 videos in total, counting until we reach 100 in Chinese. So if you haven't seen the previous 2 videos, you can go on my channel and check them out. Okay, let's begin. 21 is 21. 22 22. 23 23. 24 24. 25 25. 26 26. 27 27. 28 28. 29 29. 30 34. And that's how you count from 21 to 30 in Chinese. Remember, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified whenever I post these videos. I'm gonna keep them coming until we reach 100. Until next time, peace out.